Today I would like to talk about how to fix the 500 internal server error in WordPress. This is a common problem of every WordPress website. It's a 500 internal error. There are several uh, issues. There are several um, problem to create this problem, and there are several way to fix this problem. Are you seeing a 500D server error in WordPress? The internal server error is one of the most common WordPress error. Since the error does not give any other information, many beginners find it quite frustrating. In this video, I will talk about how to easily fix the 500 internal server error in WordPress. So the 500 internal error, what is the 500 internal server error? 500 internal server error is a common web server error. It is not a specific WordPress website and can happen with any website. The 500 in the error message is technically an HTTP error code. Look up this code will only show it standard description like 500 internal server error response code indicates that the server encountered an unexpected condition that prevented it from fulfilling the request. This is the example, the error message, and next this is the error message. This page is not working. You can see the browser. It will also look different if Google Chrome is unavailable to find an error page to display. For the beginner, this can be incredible frustrating. There is no cue or message that would point them in the right direction to quickly fix it. However, if we know the common cause that trigger this error, then we can try fixing them one by one to resolve this error. Firstly, we can show how to solve this error. What causes the internal server error? Internal server in many create a many issue. I I discuss some common issue for fixing this problem. First issue is corrupt .htxs file. If you guess the .htxs file is corrupt, you can replace the htxs file for this code. Here is the code. Here is the fresh code. You can delete .htxs all code and put this code and save it, and then uh, you can find out before you beginning troubleshooting. Make sure that you have complete WordPress backup of your website on hand. If you have access WordPress admin area, then you can use a WordPress backup plugin to create a complete backup of your website. We recommended using Duplicator or any others backup plugin. On the other hand, if you don't have access the WordPress admin area, you can manually create a WordPress backup in your cPanel. After that, you can follow my rules for troubleshooting. Then you can clear the browser cache. Just Chrome browser, you can also see a triple dot. You can click this point and you can find out more tools, and then you can see the clear browsing data. And if you finish that, you will refresh the browser. If you do not see anything, you can checking the corrupt .htaccess file. I already discussed this step, and but if you do not understand, you just log in admin panel and select post name and then save. And if you do not get any facing proper facing any solution, then you can increase your PHP memory limit. You can find out, you can just put this line in your wp-config.php file, and then deactivate all plugins and switch to default WordPress theme. Re-uploading Otherwise re-uploading core file to identify this problem. And if you do not get any solution, you can you can just turn on the true WP debug and WP debug bug. You can find out to code in your wp config.php file. Then you can see the error, what happened. After this step, I hope you will proper find out the problem, and you can easily take the necessary step. So I think it will help with your WordPress website. If you are facing any problem with this step, please comment below and asking to me for this solution. I will available anytime for helping with you. And thank you. uh, Stay with me for watching this video. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.